Introducing to you Arvad AI. Here, you put in your inputs, your prompts, and you can specify a GitHub repository. You can see the activity feed of all projects that are currently being worked on. On the right panel, these are the projects that I've been working on this week. I'll select one that I just started, which is the car rental project. It's a full-stack application, both the back-end, front-end, and database. Currently, it has generated the product requirements document, architecture document, and technical design document for each milestone. This project was created with a simple prompt: create a car rental app. Arvad then refines the prompt, creates a refined project brief, and breaks it down into requirements and milestones. Let me open the visualization page so you can see how the project is decomposed. And of course, you can set this to run step by step or continuously, as well as view the live code it is generating here on the Visual Studio Code web version. You can roll back to any phase, and it will redo it. Of course, we have dark mode as well. So here are the project details. It has broken the project into multiple milestones, and for each milestone, it has generated technical design documents. It generates the product requirements document while creating the project, then generates the architecture documents. And then, for each milestone, it creates the technical design documents detailing the milestone scope. Also, for each milestone, it breaks the milestone into several sprints, and each sprint has well-detailed tasks. Those tasks are detailed down to the last bit of what to do. It has worked through several iterations already. And the beauty of this is that it's so transparent in the way it builds. It builds the natural way, following standard software engineering principles, built using agile methodology. It's currently working on the last task, and you can see how detailed each task is. It lists out the code changes it's going to make, the files it's going to touch, and the changes it's going to make to those files. That is how detailed it is. Of course, you can view the changes it's making live to see exactly what's happening. It has done the front end, it has created the Kubernetes manifest for deployment, and it has created the GitHub workflow as well. Every single detail, including the database migration, is generated. Every single detail is specified. It's now completing the last task, which it has just finished, and it's rounding up the generation phase, after which it will move on to the next phase, the delivery phase of the project. So we then go ahead to the delivery phase. It has analyzed the project, so it knows all the services that need to be deployed and the deployment manifest for the project. You can see that reflected front-end, back-end, and it's asking what kind of deployment needs to be done. You can choose to just have the code generated as it is already pushed to the GitHub repository, or deploy it without attaching any domains to it, or buy a domain or connect an existing domain you already own. Another thing that can be done is you can select what service you want to use for deployment, both for the front end and the back end. For the front end, you can use Netlify, or you can use Versal. For the back end, you can use Render, you can use AWS ECS, you can use Railway. There are several really good options for deployment. Let's click on Deploy. It runs some local validation one last time to make sure that everything is good, and then it goes ahead to deploy.